Hello everyone! In this video, I will show you a recipe for a moisturizing and nourishing cream suitable for all skin types, with a special care of rosacea and acne skin. As a base, I used shea butter and jojoba oil. Those oils nourish and moisture the skin, leaving it smooth and soft. Shea butter also has anti-inflammatory properties and accelerates wound healing. On top of that, jojoba oil regulates sebum production, and both of the oils have antimicrobial properties. I must also mention that shea butter and jojoba oil have wonderful anti-aging properties. The squalene I use in the recipe has strong moisturizing and regenerating properties. It rebuilds the lipid fraction of the skin. It also soothes skin redness, strengthens blood vessels, and improves skin tone. Vitamin E as a strong antioxidant prevents skin aging, protects the skin against external factors, regenerates and increases skin elasticity. I also use sage essential oil in the mixture, which in my opinion has a beautiful herbal and perfume scent and additionally has antimicrobial properties, soothes acne and regulates sebum production. Also slows down signs of aging, improves skin firmness and elasticity. However, if you have sensitive skin, don't use essential oils in the recipe. And finally, the key ingredient of the cosmetic is horsetail, which thanks to the silica content seals fragile blood vessels, improves skin elasticity and reduces skin laxity, soothes inflammation, also prevents premature skin aging and acne. To make the cream, weight 5 grams of dry horsetail herb and pour about 100 ml of distilled water to it. Cover the dish and place it in a water bath for about 20 minutes. The water should be about 70–80 degrees Celsius. During this time, measure 3 grams of emulsifier and 5 grams of cetyl alcohol. You can find the full list of ingredients in the description box. Then measure 5 grams of shea butter and 15 grams of jojoba oil. Remove the herbs from the water bath and set them aside to infuse. Then place the fat phrase in a water bath and wait for it to dissolve. In the meantime, strain the horsetail infusion and weigh 63 grams of the solution. Then start to mix the dissolved fat phrase with a mixer, gradually adding hot water phrase to it. Thanks to the emulsifier and cetyl alcohol, an emulsion is created, which will thicken the emulsion as the temperature drops. Mix until you reach creamy consistency. When the emulsion is still warm, add about 0.5 grams of xanthan gum. This will thicken the emulsion and prevent it from separating. The xanthan gum also has skin moisturizing properties. Mix the cream and then add 5 grams of vegetable glycerin to increase moisturizing properties, 1 gram of squalene and mix again. I also add 0.5 grams of vitamin E and combine it with the rest of the ingredients. Next, add 1 gram of preservative and mix. The last ingredient is sage essential oil, but it can also be lavender, rose or geranium. I add 10 drops of it and mix the cream for the last time. Place the ready cream in a clean and disinfected jar. Dark glass packaging is the best for cosmetics, especially homemade ones. With a preservative, you can store this cream at room temperature and use it for up to 6 months. I recommend using a preservative for cosmetics with water phrase content for safety and hygiene reasons. However, if you really want to avoid this, it is best to make the cosmetic in a small amount that you can use within a week and keep the cream in the fridge. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon. Bye bye!